Alright everyone, welcome to part 2 of me building this water wheel. Off camera, I actually cut 8 of these bucket pieces, and the only reason I didn't have them, or I didn't film me cutting them, is it was a very long, tedious process, and I wasn't 100% sure what to do. I didn't do that. I also cut these are 5-inch 2x6s, and this is the key in between, so I have all these set up. So basically all the wood cutting is done. If you want to build something like this, I'll have the tutorial in the description. But yeah, so there's 8 of these. What I'm going to be doing in this video is hopefully finishing at least most of it. There's probably going to be one more part, but what I'm going to do right now is these. I need to glue, nail, and screw these all in, okay, on both spokes, or on both sides. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright guys, so we're very close to being done. I have all the boards. They've been painted with some waterproofing finish, and I have it assembled, and this is going to have to go on top of there, but first we're going to have to screw all these in because none of these are, screwed together. So we're going to do that, and this project is very, very close to being completed. I'm really excited. So yeah, hopefully this will be the last the last time lapse, and then we'll have it all together, and then we just gotta rig it up down by the stream. So here we go. Here we go guys, the finished product. After that time lapse, I drilled everything in, and then I have it upright, and you can see all the buckets are all in place. The only thing left to do is seal the inside with some caulk or some sort of sealant, which I probably will do off camera. And it's a beautiful structure, and off camera I actually went and built the little structure it's going to be resting on down by the stream. So here it is. Okay, so off camera, this is what I did. This is where our bearings are going to be resting on. The water wheel is going to be right in between there. So this project is coming, oh, and the flume's going to be coming in right up there. So this project is coming around really nicely, and I really like the way it's looking. And hopefully one more part one more part to the video series, and I will have the pipe flanges, you know, the pipe nipples screwed into the flanges, and then the nipples onto the ball bearings. And so I'll have it all set up, and possibly even the gutters, which I'm going to use as temporary flumes in, by that video. So hopefully stay tuned for part 2, 1 or 2 weeks, and we'll have the completed project. I cannot wait. I think it came together to look really great. So see you guys in the next video.